Welcome to the kitchen of health insurance enlightenment, where we are baking up a sweet treat that's both funny and educational. Get ready for a delicious, informative adventure as we whip up the health insurance cake of your dreams. Here are the ingredients that we need: 2 cups of Deductible Drama, a pinch of Copay Confusion, 1 tablespoon of Coinsurance Chaos, sprinkles of out-of-pocket Max mysteries, a dollop of premium surprises, a dash of medical bill madness. Also, I usually add some secret ingredients only available on my YouTube channel. You will need additional flavors, a spoonful of policy premiums, a handful of network navigations, a drizzle of coverage considerations, a splash of explanation of benefits, whipped cream of insurance agent assistance. Here are the instructions. First of all, you want to preheat the confusion oven. Set your oven to, why is this so complicated, temperature. Next, mix Deductible Drama. Combine 2 cups of Deductible Drama with a dash of, wait, I have to pay that first, confusion. Mix well until the filling sinks in. Fold in Copay Confusion. Sprinkle Copay Confusion over the deductible mix. Watch as people try to figure out why they are paying even after meeting the deductible. Gently introduce Coinsurance Chaos into the butter. Marvel at the expressions as people debate if 20% is a lot or a little. Sprinkle out-of-pocket Max mysteries like confetti. As people's wallets whimper, they question if there is a hidden no more spending prize. Whip up the premium surprises. Big premium surprises into a frothy mess. Stand back as people exclaim, wait, I have to pay regularly too? I have to pay for my insurance every month? Blend in medical bill madness. Fold medical bill madness into the mix. Witness eyes widen as people realize the cake might look quite expensive. Next, what you want to do is bake with insurance wisdom. Place the butter into the confusion oven and bake until golden brown with moments of, that makes sense. Garnish with agent assistance. Once out of the oven, spread a generous layer of whipped cream of insurance agent assistance. Marvel as clients sigh with relief and say, thanks goodness for experts. Make sure to serve with love. Slice the health insurance cake and serve with hearty love. As guests indulge, they're also digesting valuable insurance knowledge. And voila, you've just created the health insurance cake, a masterpiece of humor and education. Enjoy your sweet treat while we continue to help you navigate the ins and outs of health insurance with a smile. Check out our YouTube channel for more delicious, informative videos. Thank you so much.